Hello guys, sorry, sorry. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope I'm live. Uh, I'm just watching and observing the charts right now. I'm looking to buy at the moment. This is 1 minute time from chart. Market has opened. This is 9:30 candle. This is a New York session going on. After the opening, market went down, and this is pink area is the 1 hour time frame Fair Value gap. Market has performed. Overall, we are trading inside this daily Fair Value gap, this gray area which is a daily fair value gap, and these green lines are the 4 hour time frame fair value gap as well. We have gone toward upper side. I was anticipating from this green line for the market to be bullish. If I was like, if it did not go up from there, it will be likely it will come down to this area, pink area, which is 1 hour time frame fair value gap. From this range, I will be bullish on a market, looking for them to go to the upper side. This is what it is I'm thinking about. For a bearish case scenario, this is what it is I'm thinking about. Like, do you think this could be the top on a market, and then from here market continue to be bearish, roll down? I'm not confident on all of those highs, by the way. I'm not confident on all of these highs as well, at least to this 4 hour time frame fairly gap. Not confident on, and it is possible that maybe market has to keep those highs, inverting those levels, and maybe bearish as well toward low levels. This is also possible. We cannot deny this. I just took a trade at this point. I was like, it could be aggressively bullish from here. The way when it created these fair value gaps, when it bounced from this green candle, I was like, it could be aggressively bullish from here. It was a very bad trade. I closed it in a loss in a break even. It was not a good trade. I closed at break even. It was a loss. The mistake I have done is like, I have taken aggressive entry, and I have taken a big size trade as well. But at this range, I'm looking for the market to go to the upper side. Technically speaking, I'm not confident on all of those highs. Maybe it is possible that market continue to be bearish. I'm not confident on all of those highs. I'm looking for the market to go to the upper side from here to at least these highs, and after that this green area as well. But it is going down right now. We have to be careful. After the opening, market show rejection from this range, come back down, show rejection from this area as well, going down. So far it is going down. Let's see, like, if market continue to be bearish from here. I'm anticipating local bottom at this range from the market, and then going toward upper side. This is what it is I'm looking for. It may not play it out, but if it has to go down, like, I would say that it should have to continue its momentum toward downside. Sideways cross section at this range. If market remains sideways at this range for a little bit, oh, sorry about that. If market remains sideways at this range for quite a bit of time, then it will be possible that it could be bullish from here, and I want to see aggressive bullish cross section toward upper side if it has to go toward upper side. It is going down, it can't do anything. This is the fair value gap it has created right now. Keeping this open, going down, we can't do anything. As it is going down, we can look for the market to go to the lower level of the daily fair value gap as well. So far it is quite aggressively going down. Quite aggressively going down after the opening. At this point, I was watching this price action for a whole this morning. I started watching the charts at this point. I was like, it should have to keep this fairly gap open and should have to be bullish. It went toward a passage a little bit. It was very choppy at this range. This is 15-minute time fairly gap. I was like, from here it should have to be bullish as well. And it is come down to this range. I was like, I'm not confident on all of those lows and this pink area. We'll watch out the price action at this range for the market to be bullish. It went down all the way to this 1 hour temporary gap, and then at this point definitely I was bullish. Look, we buy as well at this point, but it is going down. We can't do anything about that for now. So far it is going down, really going down. Oh, we have a news as well at 1:30. which is paused, which is done now. 1:30 we have a news, which is this candle, I think so. I forgot. 131, 831. This candle, 831 candle, because of the news. So far, it is going down. By the way, uh, if it continue to go down from here, I can't do anything. I'm afraid I can't do anything. If it continue to be bearish from here, I cannot do anything about that. But it is very important to keep an eye on bigger picture time frame price action as well. How on bigger picture time frame market is performing. 30-minute time frame, it is going down. By the way, if it has to be bullish from here, it should have to be aggressively bullish from here. Going up toward upper side, very slow, very choppy. I will be more of like could roll down, and it should have to be aggressively bullish from here. This is what it is I'm thinking about. If it has to go up, we are not sure about up till now that what could be the local bottom. We don't know yet. So this is a fair value gap as well. If it has to be bullish from here, it should have to tends to be bullish, inverting this 1 minute time frame fair value gap and then going up and up. Otherwise, we'll be going down. Look at this weak market has created. If it has to go down from here, it should not have to go above this high and then tends to go down. I'm looking for this low right now, which is a low level of daily fair value gap. My stop loss is above this high now. Can I go for a short? Quick short. No, I didn't want to trade anything for now. It's 45 now. Initial 15 minutes time frame is done. Look at this. 30 after 30 market has this massive downward side candle market has performed. The way it has performed this massive candle, it may not be bullish. It may not be bullish. That's how the order flow is important to keep an eye on, because right now I really wanted to know like at what it is that actually market is coming up with. Either the new buyers are coming in or either the new sellers are coming in at right now, and you will get to know this by using the order flow on a chart. Like if the buyers are kicking in, the sellers are kicking in, what it is actually at right now market is doing. If for example at this point there is weakness on selling and more buyers buying is coming up, I will be confident that it could be bullish from here. As long as if it stays normal, like the normal order flows are coming in, maybe market continue to be go down from here. It's 9:46 right now on house. Can I buy at this point? My stop loss will be below this green candle and looking for the market to aggressively bullish from here for to all of those highs. Not really confident on that now. Not really confident to buy. Not really confident to buy right now. Not really confident to buy at the moment. At the moment, I'm not really confident to buy because it is going down. I hope you guys can hear me. This is the thing, man. I don't know what it is happening in here. Yep, I think so. You guys can hear me. 5 minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. Right now, if it has to be bullish, it should have to be aggressively bullish from here. This is the only thing. Otherwise, it is going down. Because the way we have come down all the way toward low levels from here, that's why. I'm not confident to even go for a short as well at that point because we don't know at what point market could reverse all the way to the other side. Not confident to buy as well right now. We're just watching and observing the charts right now. Let's see if this candle close bullish above the previous red candle. I'll be careful to buy. It's 251 now. Can I buy at this point? My stop loss will be below this low and market should have to be aggressively bullish from here. Tends to go toward upper side. Can I buy at this point? This is what it is I'm thinking about. Can I buy this point? This is what it is I'm thinking about. Or should I have to wait? I can buy. I can risk that if I. My entry is bad. It should have to be aggressively bullish, man. Should have to tends to be bullish. This is what it is I'm thinking about right now. I wanted to see aggressive bullish price action from the market all the way toward upper side. It means it should have to be bullish, like should have to. I can buy or not. I'm not sure. You can buy at this point, considering the fact that it should not have to even go down below the previous 1 minute FM candle low as well. I wanted to see aggressive bullish price action from the market. This is not a very ideal trade, I would say that. Not an ideal trade because we don't know if market. We are not sure. Should not have to be slow, man. Aggressively bullish price action from. I wanted to see that. Yeah, if it has to be bullish, if it has to be, keep this favorable gap open, man. Keeping my stop loss a little bit tight. That's how it is, bro. I have to keep my stop loss tight. Now I'm not really much worried about if I got stopped out because we are risking to which is what I can afford to lose. Yeah. Should have to keep this favorable gap open, man. Just on a bigger picture time frame. 4 minutes left. Should have to keep this favorable gap open, man. If we focus on each individual 1 minute time frame candle, and if you keep on focusing for quite a bit of time, you eventually for 1 hour, 2 hour, you will get to know which way market actually what market actually wants to do. I have seen that it played out some many times like that. Oh, no way. This is what it is. This is not showing me that market really wants to go to the upper side because I wanted to see this favorable gap open. It should not have to form these red candles at this point, which is not good for me right now. I'm not confident right now that it could be aggressively bullish from here. The way it has come down to this favorable gap, it is possible that it could knock this low again. Yeah, it is possible. It's better you close the position. So I have taken two trades, and both of the trades was aggressive entries. And then you can say that. Look at this, and that's why I really did not like to do aggressive trades. We got stopped out on my other account as well. But I was like, my stop loss is there. We got stopped out. Stopped out is fine. I can afford to lose that. but I have to be very careful for now. All eyes on candle, nothing more than that. Each individual 1 minute. I'm not confident on this low the way the level we're trading at right now. Not confident on this low, and market may not be bullish from here. If it has to be bullish, it has to be aggressively bullish, and it may not be aggressively bullish from here. Maybe it has to come down for all of those lows, this weekly low as well. I have to look for the downside as well. This weekly low could be the reason for the market to be going down from here. Cannot deny this. It is possible. This value high and this weekly low could be the reason for the market to go down. Let's see if market not to go above this high. Keep this fair value gap open. Keep this fair value gap open as well. Then tends to go down from here. Can I go for a short? Can I go for a short right now? This is what it is I'm thinking about. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot one thing. I forgot to, yeah, to do that. I don't know this guy. What is this guy still listening? This man is looking bearish, man. I think so. Oh my god. If you watch out overall as we are bullish and if we remain sideways at this range, we could anticipate bullish per second as well, but the only thing it has to do, it has to be aggressively bullish. Otherwise, no, nothing. So I have seen that most of the time you do do take entries in a market, or you do push buttons in a market considering your own perspective on a market. That's it. Like, you do not consider the market reaction or market prediction or market anticipation. You take the trades considering your own mindset or own probability instead of taking trade according to the charts. That's how most of the time you got stopped out. Can I go for a short right now? My stop loss will be, because market has respected this 1 minute time frame fairly gap. My stop loss is above this high. We could be knocking these lows, continuation toward low levels as well. Or should I have to wait? Yeah, if it has to keep this fair value gap open, which is good for if it has to go down. My stop loss is above this high now. Not taking actual trade, but just tapering. It is likely possibility that it is already going down, may continue to go down for all of this weekly high as well. Possible, who knows? Possible. And after that, we can anticipate a major pull back toward low levels as well. Could be going down all the way toward low levels. There is 4-hour time frame gap in here. Maybe it has to go here. If we highlight this one as well, this 4-hour time frame gap. Maybe it has to go there, bro. This 4-hour time frame gap, which is 106K. Cannot deny it is possible. It not seems to me that it really wants to go to the upper side for now. Can I go for a short right now, considering the fact that it could be going down all the way toward low levels? It is already going down, and at this point, I was looking for the market to go for a short. My stop loss was there, and then can I go for a short right now? Because you're already going down, my stop loss will be above this candle, and it should have to go down, continue to be going down to this weekly fair value gap, weekly level as well. It is possible it could go down because it is already going down. Can I put my stop loss there? I'm very careful right now. You can take the trade if you're risking not too much. It is not a good trade. For me, it is not a good trade, man. Look at this. It is so difficult to to so difficult, man. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. What is it I'm doing? Not at all a good trade, not at all a setup. I'm just I've just taken this trade randomly. I don't know if this is played out. And it is so difficult to not to trade. Yeah, it is so difficult not to trade. If you have trust on yourself and if you're 100% sure, 100% confident, it could be going down from here all the way toward low levels. You can go for a short. You can keep this trade in play, but I'm not 100% right now. Look at this. And it is difficult to not to trade when you already got stopped out initially and then you really wanted to make some money, or you wanted to trade. Actually, you actually want to push buttons and keeping yourself saying that saying yourself that to not trade. So difficult. Look at the cities. It has shown rejection from low level again and then going down right now. I'm looking for the market to go all the way to these lows 106,900, and it could be going to 106,400 as well. I'm looking for the market to go all the way to this area right now from here. Can I go for a short right now? You can go for a short now, which is not a good trade. Look at this. All of those trades I'm taking right now, they are aggressive trades and they are revenge trades. So I'm closing this trade. We are not doing any kind of trade right now from now on. For today, just for today, at least for today. We're just tape reading the market. Yeah. Look at this. After the opening, market has just created this week at 9:30, and then after that it was going down, 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 down. Difficult to trade at this point. Difficult to look for a short at this point because you're trading at level of spot, and then to look for the market to going down all the way, knocking all of those lows. Not knocking all of those lows, just going down. Difficult to trade that. For me, it is difficult. I don't know. There are some smart traders, experienced traders. They do very smart trading. I have seen that. That is it. What I really wanted to learn. You cannot afford to do basic mistakes on trading. These are the basic mistakes I am actually doing, which is revenge trades, aggressive entries. Same mistake we are doing. We're looking for last weekly high right now to be knocked on, and yeah, I'm quite, you can say, sad about myself, but quite sad. Yeah, a little bit sad. I don't know. You put too much effort, you put too much energy, emotions. To know why is not coming up. I don't know where is it. I am actually making mistakes, and there's nobody who can guide me through that, teach me through that. Look at it. This at this point we went for a shot. We were scared. At this point I was like, can I go for a shot? My stop loss is there. Then look at this. It is going down. That's how it is. Like it is happening till now. Like the moment I entered trade, it really did not play out on my way, and then when I anticipate that it could do something like this, and I'm scared. That point, I'm scared to enter a trade, and then we're not trading at that point. Don't know why is this happening. Look at this wick. I'm anticipating that my stop loss is above this wick. From here, it should have to go down to all the way to 106,400. It could be going down all the way to this 4-hour time failure gap as well. 106 as well, 105,500 as well. Yeah, it is also possible because it is going down now. Now, Oh, look at this market, man. Oh my goodness. So look at this. This is how it is. Like the psychology comes into play on a market. Initially, we have already been stopped, not stopped out, or you can say closing at break even and a loss. Same thing, and then two times at this point, and when it was at this point, I was like, I can go for a shot at this point. My stop loss is there, looking for these lows, this low, maybe for the continuation to go downward side as well. It actually went down, but I was scared to enter the trade at that point, and market went down from there. That's how it is difficult, man. It is not easy. I was scared to enter trade at this point, and then it went down, and then we was shorting the market at this point. We closed trade again, short again. I don't know, bro. What is it happening? I don't know. Where is it? I'm making mistakes. I think I'm making mistakes on the same thing. Look at this. We buy at this point, got stopped out initially, and then we buy again at this point, got stopped out again, and then third time. At this point, I wanted to go for a short, and then I was like, you can go for a short at it now, and then here, go for. We went for a short at this point, and then we close, and now I cannot go for a short. I cannot go for. I'm very scared to enter any kind of trade, even though I'm anticipating it should have to go down. It is going down as well. Look at this. If, for example, if you got stopped out at this point, it's fine. Stopped out at this point, fine. You went for a short at this point, and then you keep a stop loss there. Take your profit at this point initially, and then let the market run, and then you could have been in a profit in the end, profitable in the end if you watch out. You just shot from here, and then you could have made money, man. But you're scared at that point. That's why, like, initially it is difficult, man, not that easy, because you don't know, like, if it really has to go down, and then you're not confident on yourself as well initially because you're stopped out and you already lost enough of the money, and then two three times you already got stopped out, you're already scared, and then how can you trade at that point? Look for the market to give you any kind of trade. Difficult, not that easy. And I'm tired as well. I'm now I really did not want to watch the charts right now. Literally, I wanted to sleep for a couple of hours. Look at this, man. This is not easy, yeah, bro. I don't know where is it. I'm making mistake. I'm taking aggressive and same mistakes. I'm continue to continue to repeating the same mistakes. How can you do that, bro? Where is it? I'm making mistakes. Uh, and sometimes it feels very bad when you put too much energy, effort, time into one thing, and then you get zero results. You're losing money. How can you do that, man? I did not understand. How can you do that, bro? And at this point as well, the weight has come down. I was not confident on all of those highs. Like, I was like, these highs could be knocked. Then it went down. Look at this. How can you do that, bro? How can you do that? I don't know if I'm doing that or somebody else doing that. I even did not knew that as well. I don't know nothing about. I don't know, man. What is happening? Where is it? I am making mistakes. Same mistakes, man. Same mistakes. I'm keep on repeating the same mistakes. Aggressive entries, revenge trades, risking too much, and same thing. Same results are keep on coming in front of you. Aggressive entries. I really did not want to take aggressive entry, man. Revenge trades, risking too much. Oh my god. Hello, guys. Yeah, this what is your job is to be in front of the charts. 5 o'clock, I'll be in front of the chart up till 5 o'clock, and then we'll take rest for a little bit, maybe sleep as well a little bit, and then we'll see after that. And I really have to be very serious about that. It's time to really figure out what it is actually you have to do. Do you think this could be the low from the market, and it will not go below this low? From here it will be aggressively bullish, knocking all of those highs. This is what is I'm thinking about right now. If it has to be aggressively bullish, it should have to keep this fairly gap open. It should not go below this low. I can buy at this point. Should not have to go below this low. I'm taking aggressive entry, and yeah, I can take a trade on my own account as well. I think so. If I'm not risking too much, my stop loss is will be tight because we're taking aggressive entry. I'll be very much content with the price action that my stop loss will be aggressive as well. This is how it is. And we have eyes on, yeah, the reason I have taken this aggressive entry is like we have knocked all of those lows, and then we could be aggressively bullish for all of those highs. Overall it's still bullish, we're bullish. That's why it may not happen. The reason is like it may not happen, and market should have to be aggressively bullish from here. Like it has created this valley gap. While it is going toward upper side, I will be very aggressive to putting my stop loss very close to the previous lows. If it has to be aggressively bullish, it should have to respect 1 minute time frame period, which is this fair value gap as well. It will be great if market keeping this fair value gap open and tends to be bullish. If it has to aggressively go toward upper side, this is how it is. I'm keeping my stop loss tight on my other account as well, on my real account as well. I'm risking 2.7. This is a fine risk management trade, I think so, which is what I can afford to lose. This trade is actually a speculation, not an ideal trade, because we have to go quite aggressively, go all the way to the upper side if we have to be bullish, and we have definitely. For example, if it has to knock all of those highs, market has to knock all of those highs. The level we're trading right now at the moment, we cannot afford to remain sideways at this range. We should all we should have to be aggressively bullish. That's it. It means like all of those period rates should have to invert and then tends to be bullish, keeping this fairly gap open. Spending too much time at this range, I'll be not confident to that. I'll be not confident. That's why I'm keeping my stop loss very tight while it is going toward upper side. Should have to keep our stop loss tight. On bigger picture time frame, we have 10 minutes left for the 30-minute time frame close as well. Look at this 1 hour time frame big candle. This candle close bullish. We have 10 minutes left. This candle close bullish with this wick. I'll be confident that we can anticipate that market could be going all the way to all-time high as well from here. You cannot deny this. It is possible. But I wanted to see keeping this fair gap open tends to be bullish from here. If you keep an eye on each individual 1 minute time frame candle, you'll get to know which way market is actually wants to go right now. Even though I do not want to see market even coming back down below these 1 minute time frame candles as well, tends to be bullish. If it has to be bullish, you have to keep in mind we have this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Market should have to invert. 5 minute time frame fairly gap as well. This one is market is showing rejection right now from here. If it has to go to the upper side, it should have to invert this 5 minute time frame fairly gap. Tends to be bullish, act as a support, and then tends to be bullish. And yeah, we have 8 minutes left for the 1 hour time from close as well. It will be great if 1 minute over time frame close that to this above this green candle, this green line. Up till now, we have not seen much volatility on our charts right now, or like much volatility, aggressive per second toward upper side. So far, it is fine, by the way, but it should not have to spend much time, bro, at this range. I don't care about all of those feed array at this point. All of these feed arrays, this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. I do not care about that. Look at this 15-minute time frame low, 30-minute time frame low, and this fairly gap as well. It should have to invert this 30-minute time frame fairly gap, which is this one. So you know what? Like I'm anticipating it should not have to go below this low now. It has closed above this 5-minute time frame fairly gap because it is. I'm anticipating this high, that high, that high, this green line, inverting this level to this 50% of the range, that 50% of the range, and eventually these highs, and you can these highs, this 4 hour time frame gap, and also it could knock all-time high as well from here. Further toward upper side, I think so. Possible. The way we have come down, knocked those lows, and aggressive price action toward upper side. We could be knocking all-time high from here. Possible. You can not deny that. We could be knocking all-time high from here. If you go for a trade, for example, from here, how do you get to know this? Long in here, and your stop loss is just below this low, and you're targeting all-time high. How many? Five to one, 5 to 1 ratio, six approximately. Who knows? You cannot deny this. It is possible. Look at this, man. This trading is rigged as hell. We were so much down at this point. I was like mentally, I was like so much down at this point. That's why it is very important to keep your nerves in play and let the market run, let the trade run, and keep your nerves in place. Stay focused on charts. Keep your risk management fine. And also, do not take aggressive entries, do not take revenge trades. That's it. If you miss the move, you're not confident on any kind of trade, don't go for a trade. That's how it is, bro. That's how this trading is. So we're trading this 30-minute time frame fairly gap right now. We'll see that I wanted to see inverting this fairly gap and then all of those highs, but this is what it is I am looking for. Should I have to look to close my position at this point? Because it is possible that I should have to take more profit, man. At least take some profit, man. Oh shit. I should have to take profit at this point, at least because I have to take profit. No, I have to take profit. Who knows? Maybe all of our predictions may wrong, and then maybe wrong, and then. But considering the way this wick market has created this wick all the way to a downward side, and then 1 hour time frame, look at this wick candle, and then it could be bullish. Possible could be coming down to this low, 107,300, and then we should have to be bullish from that range. This is 5 minute time frame fairly gap as well. I'm anticipating it should have to keep this 5 minute time frame fairly gap open, but I have to take profit, man. At this point, I have to take profit. Oh shit! I did not take profit. I did not take profit on my own account, man. I should have to close. I should have to wait. I have to close, man. Shit. This is how it is. This is not the way it is trading, man. Oh my goodness. If it was 92 and then 89. I did not want. So I'm anticipating that from here market should have to be bullish for all of those highs, this high, and then inverting this level as well. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. It is a very boring live stream. I understand this, and yeah, understand you guys' point, yours point as well. That's how it is. Trading is boring, and this live stream is way too boring because there's no music on it. And I really wanted to have figure out like how can I put music into that. Can I buy at this point, considering the fact that it should have to knock all of those highs, inverting this level, and then could be knocking all of those further highs as well? Or should I have to wait? It has created a 15-minute time frame fairly gap in here. A 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Sorry guys, it's very boring. If I get any trade opportunity at this range to buy, I will look to buy.
Century Star System Pandora Hood is the first installment. I'm looking for Itu. मैं किसी काम में उतर गया तो पूरा किए बिना नहीं.
I'm anticipating or expecting for the market to be bullish from here. Just buy at this point. This is at this point I was looking for the market to get local bottom and then try to be bullish. I'm not confident on all of those highs. This high as well, and we are anticipating these local highs. This high, 50% of this 30-minute time frame fair value gap, maybe upward level. It could invert this level and then be bullish as well. It should not have to go below this candle. It should not have to go below this candle. Now this is where my stop loss is actually right now. So we got stopped out, guys. Oh my goodness, man. Trading sucks. Sorry, guys, I think I should have to finish this live stream now. It's been quite boring. We overall end this day with the loss. With the loss, yeah, you can say that with the loss. We have taken too many trades, and yeah, which is not I really like to. In the end, last trade we took it was more of like positive. Overall, we're still in a loss, and then yeah, that's how it is going on. And I don't know which way we could go from here. Sometimes it feels like so frustrating, and you put so much effort, energy, attention into that, and then you got no results. You're going down. Actually, uh, don't need to be sad, but sometimes you have to be sad. You have to feel that you're really sad, and then yeah, and yeah, we'll come back stronger. We'll come back more focused. We come back more into in a positive mindset, and then yeah, we'll keep an eye on charts, and then yeah, we'll recover. We'll come back stronger. We'll come back. We'll try to recover, and then all that. Let's see which way it could go from here. From I don't know which way it could go. I was anticipating all of those bullish case scenarios, all of those highs, but it did not played out. So we can't do anything about that. So we have to we have to adopt ourselves the way market is performing. Yeah, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be doing a live stream, but I have to go for my Juma prayer as well. So I will be coming to the live stream a little bit late. And yep, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.